now June 23rd, 1991.
So almost 5 months later.
Almost 5 months later, we're gonna come inside, have another look at the house, see what's changed. It's the summer, so it's warmer. So, front yard doesn't look that different.
See if I can close the fence. No oranges down there this time. All the oranges are, well, there's still some on there. Freshly squeezed orange juice in the morning. Yeah, I got a little pee-pee hole thing. I don't think that was there before. In the door.
That might be new.
Yeah, I think it is. Okay.
Is it light in here though?
Yeah, I think so. Where should we go first?
Let's go in this room. This was the kitty's room.
There's a little litter box over there.
Sydney and Snowball.
Stove. I'll have to meet the kitties later.
Meet the kitties in a few minutes.
Okay. So this is this room.
This is this room.
A little cleaner
Doesn't
than last
change too
time.
much. See, we'll head into the living room. With the power of video magic, we've moved the desk over to here. Oh, the player piano.
Oh, wow.
This is a new addition.
Cool.
These slats out to see if there was indeed a partition in here. You can tell there used to be.
Oh, yeah, a little space in there.
It's empty now, yeah. So we might put in partitions in there. Clean this up a little bit.
The sound system there.
Still got Bart
I was
Simpson.
just gonna say Bart's gone. There he is.
Little Bart Simpson cartoon. Let's see. Oh, look at yourself in there.
Go in here and say hello again.
That shelf is new. I'll let you get in here.
Ooh, there's a little tiny step there. Hi again. There's a shelf up here.
Here's the biggest change. Da 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 da.
No more cupboards.
New kitchen. Cupboards are gone.
Wow. Oh yeah, different window.
Brand new sink, different window.
Cool.
Drawers there.
Here's the island thing here.
There's the island thing.
Island with the stove.
Got the stove.
The stove there.
Andrew, you're putting this in. I'm not sure.
There's gonna be a cutting board. or
Cutting board.
something. Over here.
Show me the gas oven. This is the coolest oven you've ever seen. Bake. Oh, let's break it 350. And then as it warms up, it tells you the actual temperature.
Boy, that's cool. Very
Electronic
nice.
timer.
Nice oven. That's the killer island thing there. Here's the pantry again.
Ignore that. Let's meet my new roommate.
Oh, he's gonna love this.
Quick, Andy, put your clothes on. Oh. Hi.
Hi.
That's Andy Hengel. He's from South Dakota,
All right. Nice
but
to
he's
meet
here
you.
now.
So now here's Andy's room. We won't intrude too much, I guess, huh? It's a little bit nice and clean. He's probably been in here.
Come on.
He's been in here cleaning because he knew we were gonna come in here.
Yep.
You can tell it's just spotless.
All right. Let's go intrude into.
Andrew, I think
Andrew's
you
room.
can see this paneling. I think is new.
Yeah, that wasn't up before.
Before this was in the shed in the backyard.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Pictures.
Say hi, Joe.
He's decorating his room here. Unlike Patrick. Whoa, that looks cool. That looks really nice. See, Andrew's been putting all his work into his room here. Okay.
The only thing different in my room. Oh, the door's up now. Got the door going.
Still slobbed out. It's a little more slobby than it was last time. There's all this pile of clothes here.
Those are from my 2-week business trip.
We got blinds now.
Oh, that's new.
Yeah. Blinds. Whoops. Closet.
Well, that's changed a little bit. I think Andrew.
Sorry about the
This
vertigo
is-
here.
This has been painted. Got some knobs here.
Oh yeah.
Door.
Huh. Okay. It's blue on one side. Little hook. We got shelves.
Oh, come on. There's. This is why they didn't come running.
Oh,
Caught 'em napping.
Sleepy.
How small they are.
Hello guys. Snowball, wake up. Wake up.
His tail, or lack thereof.
His name should be Stubby.
That's what I started. That's his nickname.
Snowball, wake up.
Usually they're pretty playful, but they're pretty wiped out right now.
Hi. Oh.
Washer and dryer.
Oh yeah. I'm watching my trip over the cats now.
Well, I'm gonna have to take him to the vet. He gets this little condition behind his ears. I don't know why that happens. Are you licking his ears? We'll film these guys later when they wake up.
We'll do something entertaining for us. Kind of growing.
Boy, last time that tree was bare.
Really? Nice and green. Well,
Well, see you in another 4 or 5 months.
okay.
Signing off.
Bye.